everybody. Today we discuss organic reaction, Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction. It is the migration reaction. Here mainly the substrate is any carbonyl. Reacts with any par acid, say for metachloroparbenzoic acid, trifluoroparacetic acid or parbenzoic acid, reacts with ester. Here there is two possibility which group will be migrate, either R1 or R2. The migratory amplitude depends on the electron density of this migratory group. It is mainly here one oxygen inserted between carbonyl and migratory group. Migratory amplitude will be the anisole first, then paratoluidine, then tertiary alkyne, cyclohexyl, phenyl, primary alkyne and methanol. Let us see the mechanism of this reaction. First of all, MCPV means acidic condition. First of protonated will occur, then minus present. The negative charge of oxygen will attack here and this bond will goes down. Then this bond fall here. There is two chances, either R1 will be migrated or R2 will be migrated, and hence we get two product. If the R1 migrate, here at this bond will break, what will get? If R2 migrate, what will get? Here the migratory amplitude depends on the electron density. More will be the electron density of the group, then the more will be the migratory amplitude of the group. Now let us see the series of migratory amplitude. Series of migratory amplitude. Anisole fast because the lone pair of oxygen can donate and hence plus R effect acts here, then toluidine because here plus I effect acts, then tertiary butyl group, then cyclohexyl, then phenyl, then primary alkyl, then ultimate what will be the outcome of this reaction? Here oxygen inserted between migratory group and carbonyl group. Now take another more example. If we take in presence of MCPBA or any per acid, we get, since the OCH3 has plus I effect but CH3 have plus I effect, or plus R effect means resonance or hyperconjugation. We know that resonance effect is more predominant, and hence this ring will have greater electron density than this group, and hence this group will be migrated. Here this group will migrate. This group will migrate, and ultimately what we get? We get the oxygen insertion between the carbonyl and migratory group. Since anisole migrate, and hence ultimately we get this product. Now take another more example. If we take this, since NO2 group has minus R effect, and hence it reduces the electron density from the benzene ring, and hence the phenyl has higher electron density, and this phenyl group will be migrated. This group will be migrate because NO2 group has highest minus R effect, means minus resonance effect. Then since this group will be migrated, ultimately oxygen atom will be inserted between the carbonyl and the phenyl ring. Ultimately we get this product. We take another more example. If we take this group in presence of MCPBA, what will happen? This carbon is 1 degree, but this carbon is 3 degree. We know that tertiary butyl group is migrated, and hence this bond will be migrated. This bond migrate, and what will happen? Ultimately get the insertion of oxygen between the migrated group and the oxygen. We get this. Now one exceptional case will occur here. Now let us see the exceptional case. This exceptional case is important for NET and GATE and also JAM examination point of view. Please note it, this exceptional case. actually this carbon is tertiary group, tertiary, and this is primary, and hence oxygen must be this carbon is primary and this carbon is secondary, and hence ultimately should be oxygen here, but actually oxygen insertion occur here. Should be this product, but we get exceptional product. This is not found, but what we actually get?